Hello and welcome to Java Lectures. This is Anam Sheikh, and today we are learning about the Git-bash, and how can we upload our project into any remote like GitHub, GitLab. So we are doing with Git commands. So our ingredients are the terminal will be the Git-bash software. So we have to download the Git-bash software, and our GUI will be for GitHub for desktop, and our origin will be github.com. The Git-bash is responsible to transfer our local repository to GitHub for detecting changes between local and remote, for pushing and pulling the changes between remote and local, and GitHub for desktop is the GUI for the Git-bash. As for example, we have Windows GUI as well as Windows CMD. So as like we have a Git CMD and Git Windows. So before start, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss the updates from Java lectures. And here I have uploaded two more videos, the getting started with the Hibernate 5 and the other is getting started with Spring Boot 2. So never forget to watch these. Okay, let's get started. So we have just some commands for git bash, and we will log in with our account. First sign up, then log in with our account of GitHub and create a repository so we can upload our project to GitHub with the help of git bash. Okay, now the first command of git bash is git init. This is for initializing empty or project Git repository. If we have empty a folder, so we want to initialize with Git, so later we can upload our local repository to github.com or GitLab or any remote. So we have to init first with Git. Now the Git status is always a command that we use for getting the status. Either status is how much we are back, how much we are forward with the remote and local, like the status, what you have added, what you have deleted, and what is changing in remote and what is changing in local. So every time we the git status is responsible for these news. Okay, to change to add the remote with your local project, so we have to uh, execute this command git remote add origin, and after that we have to paste our link which GitHub will give us for adding server where we want to make changes, upload our project. Now get remote -v for finding the connected remotes. Okay, now git add in the name of file for adding a change file to commit. So later we can push it to remote. Git commit -m and with a message. So we can commit the added files for ready to push to server from the local directory. Okay, now git push origin master. It will push the committed changes to server. Okay, now after we have, how we can know that by status, git status, that how much we are forward from the server or how much we are back. So we have to add this command git branch master setup stream equals to origin master for sync local and remote. for detecting changes later. So if before getting the status of a remote, we have to execute the command git fetch for checking any changes to server. If any change is detected, git status will return any changes which are returned by the fetch. Okay, for getting the data from a remote to local, we have to execute the command git pull origin master that pull changes from server into local. So we will execute these commands to learn about the git. Okay, git 8. Okay, right, name of file here. Right. So first I have to make a repository. Right, github.com, and okay, right here I have signed up and I'm logging now. So here are my repositories. So we have to create a new repository with any project name we want to make and make a description. It's optional, and the project or the repository is public or private, and you want to initialize with readme.md or not. Okay, these are my repositories, and here it is. I have already created it. Okay, readme.md. Right. Okay, now here this is my software core, so I have to update to github.com. So what I will do after downloading the git bash, I will open git bash here.